Hello everyone, we will draw a beautiful peacock. First draw the lines, then draw the feathers on the fingers as we are drawing. Then we will draw the shape of the peacock, draw its eyes, wings, draw its crown, then draw its feathers and its legs. Then we will color it and it's ready. Next, we will draw a cute dog. Draw the face of the dog, draw its ears, eyes and its teeth, then draw its tongue. After that, draw its body and its legs, draw its cute tail, make a band on its neck, color it and it's ready. Next, we will draw a robot. First, draw the lines of the fingers as we are drawing. Then, draw the shapes inside its face, draw its eyes, its mouth, and then we will draw its body, draw its teeth, draw the lines inside its face, draw its neck, draw its body, draw some design on its neck as we are drawing in this video. I hope you are enjoying this video. Watch it till the end. After that, fill the color in the robot and it's ready. Next, we will draw a hungry and the angry dog. First, draw the lines to make its face, then draw its ears, eyes and its cunning teeth. Draw its nose and its tongue. After that, we will color it using grey color and your angry dog is ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.